Yo, what's up, YouTube? Yo, let's get it, bro. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it, bro. I'm super excited, bro. I'm super excited, bro. Like, Alpha Capital Group, like, yo, man, I've been going crazy this week. And I like what I've been seeing, all the profits and losses, and all that. So, yeah, man, let's get it, man. Let's get it. So, all I want to do in this video, I just want to talk about the Alpha Capital Group dashboard and all that. So I just want to talk about the dashboard. I just want to show you how far with the account and what I need, all the targets and stuff. So what I need to reach my targets and all that. So, but anyways, man, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos, man. Let's get it.
We're gonna start this beat, yo.
Yes, good day, everybody. You can see Nasdaq dropped 6%. This is for the first time I see Nasdaq dropping 6%, bro. 6%. Nasdaq don't normally drop 6% on a regular day. Nasdaq usually drops like 2%, 3%, 1%, but today it dropped. Yesterday it dropped 6%. Gold dropped 2%. And Euro USD dropped 0.81. Like, come on, man. Nasdaq dropped 6%. Let's see what happened. Okay, I'm on the 4-hour time frame. You can see that all this drop started from this bearish engulfing. You can see here we had a strong rejection from the 19,000 support level, and then we did a pullback here, trying to bounce back to 19,400, and then again, so we had to wait for a big engulfing candlestick like this bearish engulfing. After that, Nasdaq dropped on 3 March, April, started dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping for the whole 2 days. 2 days dropping. You can see on the, let me go to the daily time frame. You can see almost 3 days dropping, because if you can count, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on Monday, that's when we did a pullback, and then Tuesday still pulling back, Wednesday bearish engulfing, Thursday we dropped, on Wednesday started dropping on Wednesday. Thursday it continued to drop after pulling back to 19,000. So then Friday, that's when we get a big day, 6% drop after NFP. So it's crazy, bro. I don't know, I should have cashed this setup from the beginning, because this week what I noticed is that I was catching setups when they were almost done anyway. So when it was time for hitting take profit. So you can see on the 1-hour time frame, that Nasdaq has been like dropping, bro. The Nasdaq has been dropping every hour, dropping and dropping, but of course respecting the market structure. Impulsive move, pull back, impulsive move, pull back, impulsive move, pull back. And the moving average, you can see the 21 moving average. Somebody asked on one of my videos about the moving averages. You can see this red line, right? The red line is the 21 moving average. You can see this red line moving all over the chart. Is like I use it most of the time as my take profit if I'm like feeling like scalping and all that. So the moving average is the one that is following price or wherever it leads. And we have this thick brown line. The thick brown line is the 200 moving average. You can see the 200 moving average on the 1 hour time frame. You can see the 21 moving average also, which is the red line, the 200 moving average, which is the brown line. So I use these moving averages. I use the support and resistance, which is this horizontal lines on the chart, and I use the clean chart without the grid and all that period separators and too many things all over my chart. I need my chart to be clean because I want to know what's happening and what might happen next. So down with Nasdaq, let's go to gold. Gold, you can see we did drop like 2% on that Friday. So, but to me, I don't like naturally. I don't feel like I'm good when it comes to selling. I just prefer buying most of the time because that's when I take advantage of the momentum. When I'm buying, I can scale in and add more positions because like I feel confident. But when the market is dropping, I feel like it always hit my stop loss and all that. I don't know why, but you need to discover for yourself who you are when you are in the market. It's like, are you a buyer or are you a seller? Make sure you tell me on the comment section. So you can see gold dropped the whole day. We had this bearish engulfing rejection from the 21 moving average, and we closed below the 200 moving average and started dropping there. Started dropping every hour, 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, and then after that we started consolidating between 3040 and 3020. So now gold is in this tight range. So what will happen next is either gold will break above, and then if it breaks above 2040, I'm going long. I'm going long, and my TP was going to be this one of these two moving average, or I'm gonna say my TP is 2070, because by the time gold reaches here, it's gonna hit one of these two moving averages, right? Or gold, because it's down, you can see it's dropping, it might reject 2040, and after rejecting 2040 it might continue dropping again down because gold is in the selling territory. You can see gold is dropping, right? You just have to make sure you follow the market. The trend is your friend, because if you go against the trend you will get chopped. Let's go to Euro USD. EU. So daily time frame, you can see that Euro USD, it's only the best day when it comes to Euro USD. It's only Thursday. You can see Thursday, yeah, it was buying like crazy. Started buying from 85,000 support, and then all the way to it take profit on 1.11 thousand. No, yeah, 1.11 thousand. So Euro USD on Thursday, it was going crazy. Like if I can check Friday, it was only a pullback from what happened on Thursday. Wednesday it started forming a bullish engulfing, but it did buy make new highs from 70 1.078 1.07800 to 1.9200. So like that's it for this video. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. So make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos. I'll be dropping new videos consistently. So if you have any question, ask me on the comment section. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I post a lot of setups on the dashboard. Okay, started here with 10,000, then I went to the drawdown for like 5%, almost to 6%. So yeah, man, then I had to bounce back there. You can see I had to bounce back and take myself up and close the week with 3%. So I'm only left with $630 to hit the target. So Alpha Capital Group, they need for phase one they need 10%, and for phase two they need 5%, so that you can get funded. In total is $15,000. Okay, or $1,500. Okay, so minimum trading days is 3 days, and I've been pushing this account for 7 days. Max loss is $1,000. Max daily loss is 5%. So equity is 369. So yeah, number of trade is 1696. Win rate is 37.50, which means like the rest I've been losing, right? I've only win like if what they're saying, or the win rate is that if I took like 10 trades, then I lost almost 7 of them and I won 3 of them. Okay, so that's what it says. Okay, but I'm still profitable and I'm still coming strong and stronger. And you can see on Monday 31st I made $18. Tuesday I made 442, which was the biggest day. Wednesday I closed 33. Thursday I closed 168, and Friday I closed $80. Let's open the Thursday day and see what happened on Thursday. You can see the total trades is 20. Winners was 542 and losers was only 100, which is 5%, which is 1% on the account. I won 5%, so it's 5% minus 1%. So the total PNL, I closed it with 442. So which is good. It's not bad. I've been losing, taking losses on USD JPY, taking losses on USD JPY, taking losses on Nasdaq, US oil. But you can see here one lot on Nasdaq is when I took advantage of the momentum. The volume was coming in on Nasdaq, and then I had to take advantage of it, and then I had to make big profits, So that's what I always say, bro. You need to make sure when the market goes your way, you need to scale in and take advantage of it, because it might not it might take time to present the same opportunity after. But the market often consolidate most of the time. The markets are choppy, ranging. So when the markets are trending, you need to take advantage of it as quick as possible. But anyways, this week was crazy, bro. The best week. I always like NFP weeks because I know that the fundamentals, they always affect the market. The first week of the month, the market has to move in a smooth way. You can make some dollars. But the last week of the month, the markets are choppy, consolidating, because the markets are tired, bro. The markets do get tired. That's when they consolidate and they're choppy. But on the second week, the CPI week, that's when like I prefer to swing now. I don't prefer to scalp. I prefer to swing so that I can hold and make big profits, because scalping, you end up closing the trade as quick as possible, but you leave a lot of cash in the moment, a lot of, in the table, on the table. You leave out a lot of profit on the table. But if you just enter, maybe try to what break even as quick as possible, and then let it play out. So I prefer to swing. Some weeks I prefer to swing, so some weeks I prefer to scalp. So this week was one of those weeks where I wanted to scalp and go crazy. But yeah, I'm glad with 3%. So I don't know, 6% is nothing to me. So I'll kill that definitely on the coming week, which is 7 to 11 April. So yeah, man, see you on the other videos. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Road to 10K in funding with Alpha Capital Group. Let's get it.